All right, Jack, are you ready for your challenge?
Mommy's gonna drop a cup on it.
Okay.
Hidden.
1.
Didn't stay. Hold on, I gotta shuffle it. Can you figure it out? Which one?
Which one is it?
Which one? Look at it. Knock
Jack,
over the cup.
which one is it?
Knock over the cup.
Jill, not your turn yet, baby girl.
Knock over the cup.
Jack, which one is it? Is it this one? Is it this one? Oh.
Jill said, let me check.
Uh-oh, you almost got it out, buddy.
Here, check them. Knock them over. Here, right here. Over here, check them.
It's in here.
Can you knock it over?
No, it's in here. Jack, look.
Put it there. Now, go ahead, find it. Which cup is it under? Which one? Look at the cups. Can you smell? Smell over here. Smell. It's not in my hand, so look over here. Baby boy, check the cups.
Jill said, I know.
Check the cups. Hurry, knock them over. Hurry, scoot them up closer to you.
Oh, good boy! What a good boy!
See, were they just too far away?
Nope.
Get down, buddy.
Okay, now.
She said, I can figure it out.
Jill, which one? Oh, Jill got him first try.
Smart.
What a smart baby.
Jackson,
She said, where's the rest of
Good girl. Good girl, we're gonna do it again. Back really quick, okay, baby girl?
All right, now shuffle them up. Oh, no. Redo.
More mission.
All right.
Okay, baby girl,
Jill,
which one?
which one's it in?
Come here. Come on, baby girl. It's your turn. She said you held me back for so long. Oh my.
Let Jack do it. Let Jack do it.
Good boy.
Jill, you figured it out the first time.
She said, I know, but mommy held me back, so I thought I was in trouble, so I went down.
Oh, okay. Who wants a marshmallow? Just a free one, no strings attached. Jill? Jack? Jill? Jack? Good doggos.